name is Katherine. I'm from Canada. I'm visiting India here at an ashram for meditation. And many years ago, I was in a serious car accident and fractured a vertebra in my lower back. And since then, I've, of course, continuing issues with that. And through my friends at the ashram, I heard about this clinic and came here and was very well received in terms of diagnosis and various treatments, exercises and other modalities. And I feel very well received by the staff here, all very knowledgeable, very professional, also a very warm, friendly and healing atmosphere here. I feel after 6 or 7 sessions that I've been here, I feel much better in many ways. And Dr. Joshi, I think, has a very, very precious gift of healing, and I would definitely recommend this clinic.